I recently had the pleasure of staying on floor 14 at the Vancouver Fairmont Hotel Vancouver. It's been like 3 months since I was there. So, anyways, this is the room. I'm not going to talk too much in this video. Let's just get right into it. Here is the lobby. If you want to see the Labrador dogs, there are actually two of them located right at that front desk where the elevators are. There's a beautiful Canada Post brass mailbox. Absolutely beautiful. I'm only creeping here because I want to get into the elevator, but there are like some kids standing there and I don't want to be like a fool, but help, wish me luck. Here I go. Bitch. Now again, I'm purposely not talking too much during this video. It is one of my first videos that I am making. I'm not wanting to become like a travel whatever person, but I thought it was really interesting, like just hearing how loud this hotel is in downtown Vancouver, how authentically old it is when you're going up these elevators. So I really hope you enjoy. Again, my focus for this video is the 14th floor. And the 14th floor at Hotel Vancouver is now known as the Heritage floor. I believe it did get some upgrades recently prior to COVID, perhaps. This is the floor where royalty stays in, you know, and the celebrities, and this hotel just being around as many years. I was so blessed that like I scamped my way to get onto the 14th floor. Anyways, my room is right there, which you will see in a bit. I believe I was in 1411. I can't remember. Anyways, just going to be quiet and go through the royal suites on the Heritage floor at Hotel Vancouver Fairmont. Down at the end of this hallway, of course, is the Morningside Suite, a favorite of Zsa Zsa Gabor. Nobody puts Zsa Zsa in the corner. Speaking of the corner, yeah, there's these beautiful portraits of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth and, of course, King George V, I think it was. Oh my God, I'm so embarrassed. I didn't get that right. And again, this is kind of where the governor or lieutenant governor's suite is, and the royal suite, I believe it was called. This brass door was open like the entire time. I swear to God, I was the only one on the entire floor, like my whole entire visit. Yep, 1411. That's my suite right there. I came to Vancouver to see the Madonna concert mid-February 2024. And this is where the royal children would have probably slept, because it all connects with the royal suite. And it even has another suite that's connected there. Probably for where the nanny would sleep. If you were looking for like, oh, thank you for making it short, simple, sweet, and to the point in this video, you're wrong. It's not going to happen. I have like a night view and view with all the lights on. There we go. Nice walkthrough of when you first walk in. I hated that mirror. I absolutely hated it. It just looks so dirty. Like its whole purpose was to look really off and dirty, and I absolutely hated it. But that was like my only quirk of this room. They do a turn down service for you every night. That was beautiful. I absolutely adored it. I declined housekeeping otherwise. I was there for 5 days and I declined housekeeping because, I mean, it's just me and I really want to focus on eco-friendly environmental. I did bring my own Apple TV box. Easy to set up. There was only one, you know, male enthusiasm stain on that couch. The bed was by far the most comfortable bed I had ever slept in my life. I absolutely adored their comforter, their sheets, everything. It was Fairmont gold floor experience, baby. Like, oh, no complaints from me. Like, I mean, what hotel has a globe? A globe in it that actually spins? Like, that would get broken anywhere else in a heartbeat. In a flash! I never have any interest in any of this stuff, but it's cool to be there, or it's cool to have. I'm sober 5 years, so I don't even want to open that door pretty much, and I don't even want to move any of this stuff around, so I just don't even touch it. It's the same old, you know what, in every other hotel. There was just so much darn space. I mean, I cannot even tell you. So earlier in the video, I said I scammed my way into this room. All I really wanted to accomplish was, number one, if you want a room on the 14th floor, you have got to go gold floor. Like, it's the gold floor experience at the Fairmont. So you need to book that room, and you need to book a Grand King. A Grand King is available on the 9th floor and the 14th. So the only other rooms on the 14th floor are going to be Lieutenant Governor, the Morningside Suite, the Royal Suite. So I thought, okay, well, if there's a Grand King on that floor, I'm going to go for it. And that's what I did. I also booked during Black Friday sales. And it was obviously the off time of the year. And I was just very polite, generous, as I always am. And, you know, even tipped a hostess, housekeeping, turned down service lady. Amen. The bathroom was small, but I was just alone. Didn't bother me, but I thought, yeah, these are pretty small bathrooms. But again, the hotel is pretty ancient. It was beautiful lighting in that bathroom, though. Like, yeah, this is what I this is what I remembered. Like, just that one light there that was motion operated. Oh, it was so nice. Whenever you would walk in, that the light would go. And yeah, the 14th floor is not the top floor, so you were right there. There is, I guess that's called the awning or the roof, pretty much, the way the building is. So you are going to have that automatically. Now, of course, when you book Gold Floor Experience, you have access to the Gold Floor Lounge, which is on the 9th floor. And I'm just going to let you take in the next couple shots that are of the Gold Floor Lounge. I absolutely adored Gold Floor Lounge. I hung out in there all the time, just drank a lot of coffee and ate a few pastries. So enjoy, and thank you for watching my little video of Hotel Vancouver, Fairmont. Fairmont Hotel Vancouver. Blah, blah, blah. Cheers.